Hello. In this tutorial, I'm going to show you what you are going to do to save a whole lot of time for yourself. So what I'm going to have you do is to go to your browser or your search engine, search for this application called LeechBlock NG. Just search for it. Go to the first option that comes up and click on it. Here you see this software. It asks you to add to Chrome. As you can see, I'm using Chrome here, and the same thing you can do with other browsers. So click on add to Chrome. Click on add extension. Now it has added to our extension. Now I will show you how you can block some of these websites that you don't want to be seeing, or that you not always browse, that makes you not to be productive. Just click on this icon here, extensions. So here is our LeechBlock NG. Click on these three dots and click on options. On this page, you are going to add all the websites that you don't want to be seeing, or maybe websites you don't want kids to be browsing, for instance. So I'm going to add this website that you can see here, which is yahoo.com. If you want, you can add a name for this group of websites. I'm going to also add youtube.com. I'm going to add this website, alza.cz. So on this list, you can add as many websites as you want. Down here, it will ask you for how long you want the website to be blocked. You can choose custom time here, minutes for instance, or you can choose all day. Let me choose all day. Here you can go granular here and pick if you want it to be set for particular days or time and what have you. Here you can customize this. Let's say if someone visits any of the websites that you added on this list, you want them to be taken to a different website. Let's say, for instance, someone goes on that website, let's say it's a kid. You want them to be taken elsewhere to another website, for instance. So you can add it here. You can add a custom message if you want. So just go through this page and find what other options you wanted to add. When you are done, click Save Options. Our options have been saved. Now let us go back and test these websites. The first one was yahoo.com. Let me refresh Yahoo. It takes us to dictionary.com, which we added. Let's go to YouTube and refresh. It takes us to dictionary.com. This website Alza, it takes us to dictionary.com. You won't believe how much time you can save yourself by using this free software. I hope this has been helpful. Please subscribe to my channel, like and share. Thank you.